Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing a quick study of the anatomy of toes. So what we are doing is we are focusing on the toes from the bottom side of the foot. So if you have your pencils all set, we are just going to show, let's say that the foot is resting on a flat surface, sort of. So all we need to begin is 1, 2, 3. So as you might have guessed, that this is the heel. That is our bridge right there between the heel and the larger part of the foot. So we're going to use the heel to go back like this. Now right here somewhere, I guess we'll do the heel, the ankle like later, but it'll be around there somewhere. So there's the shin, and then we go and put down the rest of the foot, the top of the foot, like that, coming off the shin. Of course the heel is here, so if you wish to give it, let's say that if you want to determine a dimension for yourself, or if this guy was wearing shoes, it would be somewhat like that. So that would be the heel right there, and then the ankle, I guess, will fall somewhere here. And that, now we are focusing on, I had mentioned, toes. So the easy way to go about it is 1, right around here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it's a bunch of reverse C's, and they will be positive C's if you have the foot going the other way. But right now we have it going this way. So now all we have to do is go into each appendage, I guess, and put it out. So I'm not showing them in any contorted position. So as you see, that it's sort of a cranky light bulb going right there, but there's some little bit of nudge here and there to give it that extra feel of there being bone inside it. So what I would recommend doing is checking out many different images, and you will be able to most definitely get a better foot on it. So that was that pun intended. So there's the setup of toes. So let's say that we had to have a light source coming down on this. So it would be somewhere around there. Of course, the foot is a beautiful piece of anatomy in the body, and it has all these, what you call, it has all this ability to be contorted in so many different ways that it will have to be a study on its own. For instance, if I have it like curled even in the slightest, this will come down and this will jut out a little bit more, somewhat like that. You could try your own foot, and this could be even like more squished. There could be more folds here. So that is the central idea in any case. Now between the toes, of course, according to the light source, I'm coming and darkening the bottom portions there, getting a little bit of tone in between there. And just trying to go and do some extra bit here just to give the rest of the neighboring anatomy some semblance. And we're trying to just put in a little bit of cross hatch right there around the heel area. Of course, it will all depend how much stressed, how stretched, and how laid out the foot is in determining what kind of muscle structure is visible. Legs are like very muscular, and that muscularity goes right into the foot sometimes, depending on how much, as I said, how stretched and how compressed its components are at any given time. So I'm just going to go in there for the sake of separating the toes, and I'm also, as you see, that using a lighter crosshatch like right there, because it is round essentially, and if there's a shadow coming down on it, I think it's just a pleasing effect to let each toe shine on its own. So giving the toes their due. They do a lot of work for us, and here we are, all of you good folks, recognizing that hard work and giving toes the time of day other than just the bit of rest that they get at night. So there we are. Quick setup. So what I'm going to do is, if I were to smudge a little bit just here, you'll see it'll just blend in a little better. And here, not so much. Just a little bit there. Okay, so there we are. Toes done from that angle. We'll be exploring different angles with feet, different compressions, different setups. So thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.